Hello everyone, hello from this beautiful island called Gili Trawangan, close to Lombok in Indonesia. Today we are doing something really special. Maybe you have already guessed from our, suits. We dressed up and we are ready to go forward.
We are ready to go to the last dive to become an open water certified PADI diver. So we are gonna be taking this ship with us. It's gonna be the fourth dive for the certification program. First two were for the 12 meters. Third one was to 17, and now we are targeting 18 meters.
Yeah.
A lot of things are happening underwater. It's super nice to see and also super nice to breathe underwater.
Yes.
And we are taking you with us. Let's see what is expecting for us and
see you underwater.
Three, two, one, go!
That was amazing.
Oh, cool dive.
Okay, so
so-
we are back, a bit tired, but it was
Yes.
amazing. So we completed our course. Now we became certified PADI Open Water Scuba Diver, or yeah, it's a long name. But yeah, it was amazing. We enjoyed a lot,
Yes.
and now
for sure.
new adventures are waiting for us. But on the water, it was like a meditation, right?
It was like a meditation. You just don't think anything else. You just focus on your breath, like in the meditation. So it was really, really nice.
And the fish,
Recommended.
everything. I mean, it was so nice.
Yes.
Then new ones are waiting for us for sure.
For sure.
Until next one,
See you.
stay in touch and don't forget, only
Leave your bubbles in the ocean.
bye bye.
Take care.